How to split a video clip in Kdenlive. First of all, open Kdenlive and load your project with the video clip already placed on the timeline. Make sure the clip you want to split is clearly visible in the timeline section. Next, move the playhead to the exact frame where you want to make the split. You can drag the playhead manually or use the left and right arrow keys on your keyboard for better accuracy. Next, activate the razor tool by clicking the scissor icon in the toolbar or by pressing Shift plus R on your keyboard. Once the clip is active, click right on the video clip where the playhead is positioned. This will instantly split your clip into two separate sections. You can now move, delete or edit each split part independently. If you accidentally split at a wrong spot, just press Ctrl plus Z to undo the action and try again. After splitting, don't forget to switch back to the selection tool so you can continue editing without cutting more clips by mistake. And that's it. Now you know how to split a video clip in Kdenlive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.